Welcome back to SoFi Stadium. Got a shot of the field, it looks like, on the Oculus. I'm gonna pull into this real quick and see. Oh yeah, the 40-yard line. So if you haven't heard, there are going to be a couple of Rams scrimmages here. One being August 22nd, that's a Saturday, and then the following Saturday, August 29th. The following week they will have a second scrimmage, you know, to kind of get their feel for the stadium and try to make it their own and get to whatever they can do to get a home court advantage, home field advantage, I should say. And compared to like how the NBA is doing their deal in the bubble, none of those teams, you don't really get a feel of your home field. There's no advantage there, so this should give them a chance to see what it feels like, what it looks like, sounds like, all that stuff, and just get a little bit of jump on it before other teams come in here as opponents. I'm wondering on those scrimmages if they're gonna probably do their whole PA system and Oculus celebrations for touchdowns and that sort of thing. So that'd be I'm sure in the next episode of Hard Knocks we will probably see a glimpse of the team coming here, probably taking the bus and going through the tunnel and getting acclimated to their locker room and all that good stuff. So that should be a really interesting episode to watch. Hopefully, I think it airs next Tuesday. See one of the Rams, kind of a pulsating logo. There's the ram head that everybody loves. All yellow. It's like the exterior of the NFL building's about finished. This little balcony that they have. There will also be some rooftop kind of balcony hangouts. It's gonna be a really nice building. Shot of the field. You know, you want to get like the coach acclimated with the Oculus so he knows the best area to look, you know, in case you want to throw the challenge flag on some kind of a questionable call. So I'm sure they'll have lots of replays on things like that if they have cameras in there, and that could really help out the coaching stuff. So you have that kind of advantage as to, you know, you don't want to be blind if a call was good or bad. If you have that advantage to looking at the Oculus 4K screen, you might as well utilize it. It's the 5G infrastructure, exterior, still coming up. See, some flags are finally up. back into the performance venue. It looks like somebody up there, up above the plaza. So there you have it for now. Sean McVay and the boys for a couple of Saturdays to test out the new digs. Should be interesting.